Good morning and welcome back to another video. Today's a super exciting video, and if you can tell a little bit in the quality difference, I'm trying to give this iPhone a shot in recording. So I'm gonna do a little vlog today, and as you can probably tell by the title, today is gonna be an exciting day. We're adding another car to the fleet. So we are expanding, we are growing, but there's gonna be some eliminations coming soon. But stay tuned, you don't know what's happening, just stay tuned. But today we're gonna head over to Subaru and put a deposit down on the new 2022 BRZ. I cannot wait to try something. It's been Honda for my entire life now, with a bit of Subaru, but now I really want to try something rear-wheel drive, a sport compact car that is actually affordable, and it's probably one of the last of its kind, so I had to jump on the bandwagon and I had to grab one. So we're gonna go put the deposit down. Hopefully everything goes great. Once again, if quality seems a little different in audio, just giving this a shot. The rest of the videos will be back on my Sony A7 III. Let's go to Subaru and maybe grab some breakfast because I'm hungry. Woo. The 10th gen is gonna get put away very soon, and then Subaru is gonna be on the road. Make sure you guys go check out those Subaru series videos. They're coming out now, and I'm super excited on this build also. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm about to go buy a car, used, new, even put a deposit down, I never can sleep the night before. I never can. Like I was up all night and I could not fall asleep to save my life. Like it was bad. I'm anxious, you know. It's exciting times, and it's gonna be a different car completely. A sport rear compact, a sport rear wheel drive compact series car, 2.4 boxer. I'm hoping to put some type of boost in it to make it kind of faster, because, you know, the power ain't gonna cut it, but I'm super excited for the actual platform itself. I think we're here. Oh, we still got some 9 Gen love here. Got some Subaru. Goddamn son, you can't see a thing. And we are here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm actually kind of impressed on how this iPhone is recording. What do you guys think? How's the quality down below? Alright, so it's the moment of truth. Time to go in. Time to put the deposit down my new BRZ 2022. I ain't letting you guys know the color yet. The color will be a surprise, but we are putting down a deposit for it, and I can't wait. This is definitely gonna be changing the channel. There's still Honda on the channel. Settle down, guys. Stick with me, please. Just follow the journey of this BRZ, because I plan to do things a little differently, and it's gonna be not different in a bad way, but different in a good way. And I plan to actually just maybe put some bags and kind of stuff, but I don't know yet. It's just all ideas, but I definitely want to put some type of boost because the power ain't cutting it. Definitely. Let's go do this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Your boy got a BRZ. Sheesh. Goddamn, this is actually real life. I've picked up a BRZ. I was nervous, not gonna lie, but the deposit's down. Should be here within 4 to 5 weeks, 6 to 8 at most. So we'll have it before Christmas, and I am super excited, guys. My heart's beating. I don't know about you guys, but shit like this gets me like excited. I don't know. This is exciting. New journey, new step, and I'm just hoping to grow bigger and better and still do amazing things on YouTube. This is insane. So the BRZ is bought and deposit, and I am here at work now. If you guys don't know already, check this place out. I work at Garage 16 in Mississauga, Ontario. And I work here with my homie, what's good, Mr. Josh. And right now we are putting some time in. Since it's kind of dead-ish, don't let anyone know, to Midnight 3, we're doing a tournament. And also, if you guys don't know, you guys, let me bring you over here. We'll be doing a giveaway at Garage 16, a waffle giveaway for some Recaro pole position seats. Let me show you. So if you guys see these seats right here, we will be giving away these seats. So go to the Garage 16 Instagram page and check out all the details on that. If you guys haven't seen it already, this shop is absolutely amazing. Check it out. We got so much in stock and it's just a chill vibe. So if you guys are in the market for any car parts, anything like that, come on down, check it out, and come chill and play some Midnight 3 and see if you can beat our records. Josh is a professional.
Yeah, professional.
Midnight 3. Professional Midnight 3. And we're running the STI right now, and we're trying to, you know, get some mods done to her.
We're gonna blow a head gasket today.
We're trying to get some. What we're doing right now is earning some money to go spend at Garage 16. Oh no!
Yeah.
Look like I'm making you nervous trying to get it. Yo,
No.
just an R32 and a 370. Let's go, Subaru. Let's go. You guys are gonna see we are doing we'll be doing a tournament, and I think the winner is gonna get a Garage 16 gift card. Whoever comes in first place. Super exciting stuff. Comment down below what you want to see first done to the BRZ, the 2022 BRZ. Do you want suspension? Do you want wheels? Do you want aesthetics? Or do you want power? Comment down below and be specific with the parts. Josh says power. Be specific with the parts that you are saying. And then we can maybe see, you know, we'll probably purchase the parts here at this lovely heaven of parts, Garage 16. But I couldn't be any more excited, guys. Got a new car, changes are coming to the channel, so stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. I am officially home, the day's officially done. Some exciting things happened today. We got the new 22 BRZ locked in. Ain't telling you guys the color, but it's official. All the paperwork is over here. I obviously can't show you guys that. That's personal information, but it is done. I hope you guys are super excited. I'm definitely super excited for it. It's nice to have something different. I'm excited to kind of drift. I've never drifted before, so I've never actually owned a rear-wheel drive car. So that is another exciting thing for the channel. Maybe we'll drift the car. Maybe we'll circuit the car. I don't know yet. Maybe it's a show car. Maybe it's wide body. There's so many options. I'm so excited for this build. I hope you guys are too. Like I said, it's going to be here maybe within 2 months. So we do have a bit of time still to do some other fun stuff on the channel. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. The color I got it isn't the color I originally wanted, but I couldn't pass up the offer. And I actually really like this color too. And it's going to be nice once it's all modified and done. Just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Let me know how you like the iPhone quality. Later.